So let's talk about the reflected cross-site scripting. That's the first one, very common. So how that works? So here is the scenario. We have a box in our web application where we're about to search for an item, any item, okay? So let's say that we put books in order to search for this item in the database. When we get the response, it says, hey, the item books was found 300 times. What you are seeing here is what we put in the input, which was books, it was pasted back in the response. In that scenario is where we say we have a potential cross-site scripting. Keep in mind that if I send something and that content is pasted back in the response, it's a potential cross-site scripting, like in this case. If we might see the source code of this, we can see that behind the scenes it says the item books was found 300 times. The result, the input was pasted in the output, okay? So let's see something malicious. Let's say that apart from books, we also insert double quotes, and then a script block. In this case, to redirect to a hacker site. When we send this search, the application is going to respond saying, hey, the item books plus the scripting block was found 300 times. What we are seeing here is that the attacker sent a JavaScript code which was sent back in the response, and therefore the browser is going to execute that JavaScript. What the attacker is going to do here is going to send that specific link to the user so that the user, when they click on it, it will execute this location.href and it's going to redirect the end user to the malicious site. That's called reflected. We send it and right away we receive it back in the response. If the content sent to a website is pasted back into the browser, it is a cross-site scripting candidate, as we saw.